Alright, here's a video of the engine running. Let's see. 1.3 liter rotary engine. It does have a Canon filter. You can see where it has the blue coil wire, so the coil wire was replaced along with the spark plugs recently. Still runs and sounds just like day one. I want to show you the trunk of the car. This is the custom subwoofer box and the amp rack, and they can easily be removed. You can see it's not bolted down or anything. You can just move it out like that. If you ever want to take it out, you just unhook that speaker wire, and it'll be out of your way. But it fits snug right in like that, and I never really had any problem just driving around. This, of course, amp rack lifts right up, and you just unhook the wire. You can just unhook those wire and it'll be out. So that's the trunk and the engine.